Ladies and gentlemen, it's a brand new day. We're back down here at Slimy Green Garage. I appreciate you stepping in today. Today, as we talked in our last video, we're going to be working on the frame. These holes here, can you see them? Those are supposed to be about 1 3/4 inches. That one's obviously way out of whack. The other side's getting thin. The back two mounts for the cab are actually in pretty good shape yet, so we're not going to mess with those. But we already did some of this calculations and numbers stuff. So took some basic measurements. I know where the holes should be, how big they should be. I made a trip to the old Orscheln's here in town, bought some 1/8" thick sheet steel, 3 inches wide. I'm going to cut a couple of 3 by 3 inch squares, mark them on these pads, and after that, got to cut them out, weld them in. We got a new hole saw, 1 3/4 inches. That will mark and drill out. And anyway, we got to continue to get this frame prepped so we get some rattle can on there. Anyway, it's early, enough talking. All right. Did we say 3 by 3? I think that's gonna have to work. Made it 3 inches back, mark this line. Close enough. Easy there, feller. I just about went the whole way over. Bring this back. That looks pretty good. Guess we just cut. By 3 square. One more. Okay, now I'm just going to clean up the edges on the grinder over there. Mark them off on our frame. All right then, maybe it's time for that whole time-lapse thing we got going on. Well, as you can see, kids, we've got this marked up. I'm going to take the old cutoff tool, notch in here, you know, get that cut out, insert puzzle piece. Then it's time to get the welder out, I suppose. So let's just do this. jacket in a few spots over here in the corner. That way I can just gently massage that sucker. Just the way we want it. Do a good weld pass around there. As good as I'm capable of, which I am not. It's not my strong suit, but it'll do. So, that's where we're at. Let's keep after it. As you can see, our plate's welded in. Now it's time for me to do what I have to do a lot of times, which is called cleanup. Because if you're not a good, we're just gonna say good welder, then there's gonna be some smoothing out pretty enough to do after you're done. Overall, I'm not feeling like I should be overly hard on myself. This particular job. It actually doesn't look too bad. So I'm going to get the old whisk wheel out, clean up on this. I think we'll go ahead and drill a hole on this side so that we then have this as a reference when we're done for the other side. Not looking too shabby. You guys are doing a really nice job, so yeah, just keep that up. Well, you know, that doesn't look half bad, and it's probably good enough, but over on this side, the original metal is still a little pitted right in that area, so I think what I'll probably end up doing is I'm just going to get the welder back over here, and we'll just do a little fill-in of just any spots that I think that I might have not got burnt through perfectly. We'll smooth it out. It'll be better than new. I already looked at the bottom side. And good penetration into both metals, so that's going to be real nice. Back to time lapse. Here we go. All right, boys and girls, that looks pretty doggone good. Perfect? Never would call it perfect, but it's nice. And so now I'm going to take my measurements off of my previous drawings, and we're going to go ahead and mark the center of where I need to drill my hole in here. And it looks like from this face of this hole this direction is 1.750 inches. So we'll just get the old tick measure out here. And of course 1.750 is also 1 3/4 inches. So I'm just going to come out here, coming off here, 2 7/8. I think probably a good thing I checked that, because I think I took that 1.75, I used that twice, I had 3.375. Yep, I definitely mismarked our first hole. Woo! Don't want to drill that out. That's why you double check and verify. 3.375. 3.375 is 3 3/8. Just work with me. Now we got mark. 3 3/8. All right, now I just need to transfer our, we got that. Yeah, I'm going to eyeball that one. There. That'll do. I'm just going to look from the outside of this horn to center. We're about 2.5. I can verify the other side. Outside of the horn. About 2.5. Yep, so that's good. That'll do. Drill time. Big believer in putting a little lubricant down. Don't burn your bits out. You got to start it a little bit. There you go. Well, you know what we were just talking about? Battery. Did we even charge this other one up? I don't know. We're going to find out. Oh, great. This thing is brand new. You'd think. Son of a distance. Catch it. Go with the old 20 volt 5 amp hour, which only has 1 bar left on it. Oh boy. This could take forever. For these rare occasions where you actually want to plug something in. Okay. You want to be on a regular grill. Let's do this. Keep going anywhere. I think, you know, this was a metal blade. Garbage. It's getting hot. No, then you ask yourself, you turn it the wrong way? No, not even once. This bit was never designed to do, set right on there. Stainless steel, metal, wood and fiberglass shark tooth, variable pitch, with an 1.5 inch cutting depth. However, we can't even make it through 1/8 inch. Well, you guys, the battery, the only one that's working that's left is down to 3%. Just wanted to show you that I went out and bought a new bit. Yeah, zipped right through it. Went ahead and cut out the other side, zipped right through that. We've got very little battery left. I don't want to stop, and I feel bad, but I'm going to go ahead and start painting on this frame, you know. Just want to see. I guess I could show you over here. Remember that spot where it was completely eaten through? We went ahead and welded that up. It's not perfect. We don't do that. No. Well, garage crew, I'm back home. You can see the wife's got her towel head on. She's
You can't use this.
Oh, I'm totally using this video. Look, here's what happened. I bought that 1 3/4 bit, and you saw how much we struggled with it. It was horrible. But ended up going out and buying a different bit that didn't even specify metal. It's like multi-purpose, and it just zipped right through there. And the battery was dead on the GoPro, so I came back home. Glad to be home because it was kind of a long day. Good to see the wife in all her wonderfulness. Anyway, back home. Got to get this video edited. I did go ahead and just do a little bit of a teaser of putting just a little paint on the frame. Not the whole thing, but that's what we're going to be doing next. So I hope that you all enjoyed the video. Hope you all had a wonderful day. As I always tell you, you got to go out there, be awesome, do awesome things, be good to others, you know, show them a little grace, because, again, life is tough. We're all going through it. We should, you know, be kind. So, God bless you guys. I hope you're doing real well. Have a great week. Probably won't be posting another video up until next weekend, so until then, we'll see ya.